Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been a little sluggish on content, but I am back and ready to go, and maybe I'll explain why I was gone later. But today we are opening the October box from the Emma L Craftamo subscription. We are almost done. I know I skipped a few months, but let's just go from where we're at. Okay, the work on the box is actually really pretty. Got this gorgeous pumpkin here, which means I am pretty sure we're painting this pumpkin. Just thought. All right, let's open her up. Oh, I love it. Look at all those different colored pumpkins. Did I mention fall is my favorite season? Ooh. See, oh, I was right. Look at me. I'm like so good at that. So this has my tutorial. What brushes do we get this time? Ooh, we got some cat's tongue. I actually like the cat's tongue brushes. I'm trying to, oh my gosh, for Pete's sake. Where's my scissors? Gotta be smarter than the bag, Corey. Smarter than the bag. Okay. So we have a number 10 cat's tongue. Wow, that thing is huge. Look at that. I'm trying to perfect this. You would think it would be easier, but it's not when you're used to always doing a round. And then a number 8 filbert. Interesting for this one, huh? All right. Got a bunch of obnoxious orange stuff, but look at these. Ooh, look at these. First of all, I already own a ton of these rose gold ones, but now I have more. Like you got these rose gold clips. And yeah, I'm giddy over rose gold clips. I have really low standards of things that make me happy. All right, colors this month. I am quite interested to see what we're getting out of here. Oh, maybe. Okay, ooh. Now we get a cadmium orange. Totally didn't see that coming with the pumpkin thing. Verdi blue. Ooh. I have a feeling we're going to be mixing that somewhere to make some of these colors. Burnt sienna. Obviously, we're going to be mixing. That was silly to say. Viridian hue. And yes, that's where I see the colors starting to mix. So, those are the colors for this month. Let's get this stuff out of the way. Okay. So it looks like we've got some vellum here and a template. I've noticed a lot of them are coming with the templates. I'm wondering if that's just to make it easier, you know, for those who don't want to freehand it. I, however, don't actually use the templates in any of her tutorials. I will be doing, by the way, at the end of all of these, a video of my paintings following her tutorial and using the paints and a whole array of, like, you know, the paint swatches and whatnot. But I don't use the template. You do you. I am just a loose watercolor artist, which is why Emma L is one of my favorite to watch, because she too is a loosey-goosey. We have the paper, again, a ton of paper they give you for multiple tries. Honestly, it's not arches, but it's all right. I've been using it for the tutorials simply for the sake of when I do my final end video, you can at least see how they looked on the paper they provide. But yeah, that is the October box. I have so many Emma L brushes now, and I still have, what, 2 more to go? Yeah, because I think it ends in December for me. But look at that. So we've got all of those goodies. I mean, more than enough brushes. A girl can get away with a single brush. But why not have more when you can have more? Same thing with paints. You could totally get away with just a few colors, but I am all for convenience mixing. This person here is not about to sit there and mix up all her greens, but apparently she's going to make me do some mixing to create this. Well, oh well. This is actually a really cute box. I can't wait to see November and December. But yeah, I will do a final probably at the end of December, as long as the December box arrives on time. This one did show up the first week of October though. So they have fixed that issue. They have fixed the packaging as well. It's super bubble wrapped, plus in styrofoam. It's actually quite the pain to unwrap, but I'm happy that it's a pain to unwrap because that means that everything is taken care of. Not that these are gonna shatter, but still, it is an expensive box that I pay shipping for on top of the subscription, so I expect some extra packaging for that price. But at least they fixed those things and they've been getting better. So those who dive right in, hopefully you'll be enjoying the better side now that they've improved 10 months in. But hey, I consider me as part of the beta group or something. So let me know if you got your October box, what you thought. Was it fun to paint? Did you enjoy it? Are you loving the subscription so far? You know, and honestly, I'll say 10 months in, I do love it, sort of, ish, maybe. But it's only because, one, the paint quality I feel is just, it's all right. There's nothing wrong with Cotman watercolors, which these are kind of equivalent to. However, for the price, I wouldn't have minded an upgrade, but I do love getting all the brushes. Again, you don't need that many brushes at all. And then the tutorials are really fun, but again, she has so many free ones on her channel. But I do enjoy the box. It's nice to get something in the mail that is for you, that is a surprise, because I don't look at anyone else's channel to see what's in the box. So that part is always nice, and I have to say I appreciate that. However, I think after this subscription box, I'm probably going to switch to a different art box. So while we're on that topic, in the comments below, let me know your favorite art subscription box. I've tried a few in the past. I'd love to know which one you are using and love and never feel disappointed. And maybe I'll start doing those because I really want one though. It's geared towards watercolor. So let me know if you know of any of those. That is why I did this, because most are geared towards all sorts of art mediums. And honestly, if I get oil-based paint, I don't want to touch it. So if it's strictly watercolor, I'm down. All right, thanks for hanging out with me for another unboxing. And until next time, take care. Bye now.